Hello YouTube. Okay, so like I was sitting down playing some game. I hear a really weird noise, and it's under that, and I find out what it is. It caught itself here. Watch. Freaking bird stuck in my house. Look! Oh shoot! It's right there. If you're me, you could see it in my image, like point of view. Okay, look. I feel bad for it. I don't know if I should kill it. I won't, but... Oh shoot, it just saw me. It's like, what the? Yeah, so... Comment down on what you want me to do with it. Peace.